Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video we are cooking oha soup. I'm going to show you one of the ways I cook my oha soup. So sit down and enjoy. So here I have my oha leaves ready. I've already selected and cut the oha with my hand or fingers. I will also be adding uziza leaves to the soup. This uziza gives it a very nice taste and flavor. I also prepared it the same way I prepared the oha, that is cut it with my fingers. You can use knife and shred it if you want, but I like to use my fingers, give it the same size and shape I gave the oha. And to thicken this, I'll be using cocoyam. You can use achi or ofo. Sometimes I use achi or ofo, or any thickener of your choice. All I did was to boil some cocoyam until it got soft. Then I peeled off the skin and blended it. You can pound it if you want. For protein, I'll be using chicken, and I've cooked and roasted this, grilled it. And I have some half-cooked stockfish. I have here some dry catfish. I will also be adding some cow skin, which I've also washed thoroughly and cut into the sizes I want. I will also be adding crayfish. That one is, I think it's compulsory now. Then other ingredients there are palm oil. I have some yellow fresh pepper, some dry pepper, seasoning cubes, and the salt to taste. In the pot here, I already have some water mixed with some of the meat and fish stock. I'll just be adding a little oil. I'm not adding much oil because I already have oil, palm oil in the cocoyam. So I'll also be adding the cocoyam to the water or to the stock. I just added some stock cube. I'll cover and allow it to boil. The cocoyam has been cooking for about 5 to 6 minutes now, and they are partly dissolved. Now I'll add other ingredients. I didn't add them at the beginning because the fish and the cow skin, they are all partly cooked. To avoid them being too soft or overcooked, that's why I'm adding them by now. So I added the stockfish, the catfish, the cow skin, the crayfish, I'll test for salt before adding more salt to it because the stock I used already have salt. But the salt wasn't enough, so I'll add a little salt and also a little of the dry peppers. I will then stir everything together, cover and allow to cook until the cocoyam dissolves completely. The cocoyam is well dissolved now, but it's too thick for my liking, so I'm going to add a little stock. You can add stock or water. I'll stir it again to mix the stock and the soup together, and then add the grilled chicken. I will stir and allow it to cook for a few minutes again before we now add the vegetables. Look at that boiling. Smells so good already. The next step, we'll now add the uziza leaves. I like to add the uziza leaves, stir it very well, and allow it to boil even for a few seconds so that the flavor and the taste can enter very well before adding the oha leaves. And here comes in the star of the day. It is now time to add the oha leaves. Add the oha and stir it gently. And after adding the oha and stirring it for a few seconds, our oha soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up and also share the video. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll be trying this out. If you try it, do let me know. The oha soup can be eaten with any swallow of your choice. I enjoy this with apple or semo. What do you enjoy it with? Let me know in the comment section. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. You know I love you all. I love you. Bye bye.